Hi there, Chris Fox here. I'm at the TMC again, working on 6215, and it's a really ongoing saga. Like we showed you before, we do have fuel now, which we had a problem with over there. In there we had the emergency fuel shutdown, had a blockage in it, so we were not getting fuel to this Cummins engine. Okay, so now we got fuel, but we developed in the meantime, out of this whole time, we have had oil in the pan, and it's not engine oil, it's transmission oil. The transmission, that's the bottom of the transmission there. But what we have discovered is that there was the leak was coming out of the starter, which is an air starter, and the air starter is not supposed to have oil in it. And you can see right there, it's got oil in it. The starter sits up in there underneath the engine, but bolted to the ring gear on the flywheel. So let's see if I can show you here. You can see there's where, that's the ring gear, and then there's oil dripping. Now where the ring gear right there and the starter, and if I can get this so you can see it, you have the bell housing and the transmission, and in between here where it's bolted right back here, there's a shaft seal that separates the vanes or the torque converter and keeps the oil in the transmission. That's gone. So we do not have pressure in the transmission right now. Okay, so the shaft seal, I don't get my hands in there, sitting up in here. Okay. Anyway, it's a big job, which means, long and the short of it, that's got to come out, both the units. Then we got to split the transmission and fix the shaft seal. So then we can build up pressure in the transmission again, and it'll work. Go ahead. Fun times. This is okay. That's putting a starter in where we had the engine leak from earlier, but this will stop the hole right now, and we'll be taking all this that's above my head out. So I just don't want to lose any more oil out of the transmission, so we'll plug the hole and leave it like that. The ongoing fun times with mechanical equipment, old equipment, but it's not the end of the world, it's just carrying on. All right, thanks for watching.